Welcome to this guided meditation with visualization, designed to help you manifest your deepest desires. Today we embark on a journey within, using the power of our imagination to visualize and connect with our aspirations. This meditation focuses on the clarity and intensity of your visualizations. As you prepare to enter this meditative state, set your intention to explore and embody your desires vividly. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool. What you can visualize, you can begin to manifest. This session will guide you through a series of evocative imagery to help you paint a detailed mental picture of your desires and how achieving them feels. Let's begin this journey to unlocking your potential and manifesting your desires. As we move forward, ensure that you are comfortably seated or lying down in a quiet, serene space where you won't be disturbed. Make any adjustments needed to feel completely at ease. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension you might be carrying. Let's do this a few more times. Breathing in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhaling, letting go of worries and distractions. Now visualize your body becoming lighter with each breath. Imagine a wave of relaxation sweeping from the crown of your head down to your toes, softening each muscle and calming your thoughts. This is your time, a sacred space you've created for self-exploration and manifestation. Allow yourself to be fully present, free from the past and future, here in this nurturing moment. With your body relaxed and your mind at ease, envision yourself in a vast, tranquil space. This space is unique to you, shaped by your imagination. A sanctuary where all possibilities exist. Perhaps it's a shimmering field of light, or a serene expanse of water that stretches to the horizon. Feel the peace and potential that permeates this place. As you stand in this limitless space, notice a gentle glowing energy around you, embodying your potential and desires. Begin to see a path unfolding before you. This path is paved with the light of your own energy, leading you deeper into the realm of your aspirations. Start walking slowly along this path. With each step, feel a growing sense of purpose and clarity. The path takes you through a landscape that shifts and changes, morphing into scenes and settings that resonate with your deepest desires. Allow the details of these scenes to become vivid in your mind. You may pass through a lush verdant forest, symbolizing growth and renewal. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. hear the distant call of a bird, and the soft rustle of leaves in a gentle breeze invites you to move forward. Each element of this environment is a reflection of your desire, thriving in its natural state. Feel the connection between this visual journey and your inner self. Let the imagery be your guide as you delve deeper into your desires, discovering what truly motivates and excites you. This path is yours alone, and each step reveals more about your potential and the life you aspire to create. As you continue along the path, it branches off into various trails, each leading to a different aspect of your life where you hold everything you ever wanted. Imagine the first path leads you to a bustling cityscape. It represents your career ambitions. Skyscrapers tower above, gleaming in the sunlight, each window reflecting your potential achievements. The vibrant energy of the city pulses around you, mirroring your aspirations for professional success and recognition. Hear the hum of activity, the distant conversations, and the steady rhythm of progress. Feel the exhilaration of conquering challenges and the satisfaction of reaching new heights in your career. You then return to the main path and take another route that leads you to a charming cottage surrounded by a blooming garden. This symbolizes your desire for a harmonious personal life. The garden, with its array of colors and fragrances, reflects the diversity and richness of your relationships. As you walk through the garden, you interact with representations of your loved ones, perhaps as playful butterflies or friendly birds chatting amongst the flowers. This setting reassures you of the love and peace you cultivate in your personal interactions. After spending some time in the garden, you follow the path to a tranquil beach, where the soothing sound of waves crashing gently against the shore represents your health and well-being goals. Feel the soft sand under your feet, the sun warming your skin, and the salty breeze invigorating your senses. Imagine yourself engaging in activities that embody health and vitality. This scene reinforces your commitment to physical and mental well-being. The path finally takes you to a quiet library filled with ancient books, signifying your quest for knowledge and spiritual growth. The smell of old parchment and the sight of endless rows of books invoke a sense of wisdom and learning. Each book you pull from the shelf opens to a page that offers insights and teachings relevant to your spiritual journey. As you absorb this knowledge, feel your understanding and connection to the world deepening. Each environment on your path is rich with detail and alive with possibility. Take your time to explore these settings, allowing your senses to soak in every detail, and your mind to grasp the essence of each desire. Here, in the vivid theater of your mind, you forge a deep connection with your aspirations, feeling them as already fulfilled. As you move forward on your journey, keep in your mind the paths from different areas of your desires beginning to intertwine and merge. See them weaving together like strands of a tapestry, each thread enhancing and supporting the others. This convergence symbolizes the harmonious integration of your desires with your overall life's purpose and values. In this space, notice how the energies from each path enhance one another. The vitality from the beach adds strength and health to your endeavors in the bustling city. The wisdom gained in the quiet library enriches the relationships nurtured in the blooming garden. Each element not only stands alone, but also contributes to a larger, more holistic vision of your life. Feel the power of this unified vision. Allow it to fill you with a sense of completeness and possibility. In the confluence of all your paths, you see clearly how each aspect of your life can flourish together, creating a balanced and fulfilling existence. Embrace this moment of deep connection and understanding, letting it reinforce your conviction and confidence in the journey towards manifesting all your desires. Take a few deep, calming breaths. With each inhale, embrace the energy and inspiration from your visualization. With each exhale, affirm your readiness to bring these visualized desires into your waking life. Feel a gentle transition as you prepare to return to your physical surroundings, bringing with you the sensations of fulfillment and readiness. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the chair or the floor beneath you, the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to connect deeply with your desires. As you move forward with your day, carry this clarity and energy with you, allowing it to guide your actions and decisions. Remember, the power to manifest your desires lies within the vividness of your visions and the strength of your intentions.